thumb is hovering over that checkout button for a shop called Lark Clover. The timer is ticking down in the corner of your screen. The banner says 70% off. You feel that immediate rush of excitement. It looks like a high-end boutique filled with perfect linen dresses and cozy aesthetic sweaters. But stop right there. You are about to walk into a digital trap. This company is a prime example of a predatory operation. They do not own a single warehouse. They do not employ designers. They do not even hold their own stock in a local facility. What they do is very simple and very deceptive. They scour the internet for beautiful photos from independent artists and luxury brands. They steal those images and put them on a slick, professional-looking website. Then they target you with ads while you scroll through social media. They want to trigger your fear of missing out. They want you to act before you have time to think. If you go through with it, your money disappears into a black hole. Your order is automatically sent to a mass production factory in a different country. Workers there try to copy the photo using the cheapest materials they can find. You think you are getting high-quality linen. You are actually getting thin, static-heavy polyester. It is often completely see-through. The sizing is a total mystery. A size small might fit like a tent, while a large might not even go over your head. The stitching is usually fraying right out of the bag. Plus, there's that overwhelming smell of harsh industrial chemicals. It is a total shock to the senses. Then comes the shipping saga. Your new outfit won't be there by Friday. It might take 3 weeks. It might take 2 months. Tracking numbers often just stop updating entirely. You check the status every day and nothing changes. If you try to get your money back, the real wall goes up. Customer service is usually just an automated bot. They will claim that clearance items are final sale and cannot be returned. Or they will tell you to pay for international shipping back to a warehouse in Asia. That shipping cost is often higher than the price of the clothes themselves. They win because they know you will just give up and move on. You have to be your own detective. Always reverse image search those pretty photos before you buy. You will likely find the original designer or the same image on a massive wholesale site for $5. Look for a real physical address and a phone number on their site. If all they have is a generic contact form, stay away. Be wary of any site that seems to be permanently closing down just to offer a discount. These are psychological tricks designed to stop you from researching the brand. Your hard-earned money is too valuable to waste on a scam. Stay sharp and look past the filters.